Welcome. In front of me is a Poco Pad, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings and from here select About Tablet. Swipe down and you will find Factory Reset right here. This will present you with basically a list of categories that will be removed by this process, which includes things like photos, videos, applications, accounts, and basically all user data. Now, if you have anything that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. I don't have anything here, so I'm just going to select Erase All Data. It does give you the option to back up your device right here, but keep in mind this will be done to the Xiaomi cloud only. So if your new device isn't Xiaomi, or if you want to restore this backup on some device that isn't Xiaomi, you will not have access to it. I'm just going to jump to Factory Reset without backing it up. Now we do have a 10-second timer right here letting us know that all data will be deleted and this cannot be undone. And Xiaomi consider their user base to be below average, considering they're literally giving us a timer to force us to read this, or in this case for me, waste 20 seconds of my life. You can click on OK, and now the reset will begin. This process will take about a minute, 2 minutes or so, give or take. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.